recognizes that your processes and testing requirements can be complex, and the demand for higher-level technical support has grown. Instron has evolved its support services to meet your demands. Our Instron Connect Agreements offer the highest level of technical support by providing a complete support solution for your Instron systems. Customers supported by Instron Connect are equipped with a suite of secure technologies, enabling them to report and solve issues fast, including the Instron Connect software, which is available on your operator dashboard or PC, a secure portal which is available on any device through a web browser, an artificial intelligence mobile app powered by InSkill, which is designed to help you self-diagnose and solve your system's issues fast, and our augmented reality support tool powered by SiteCall, which brings Instron experts into your lab remotely to solve your system issues in real time. Customers without an Instron Connect agreement may experience extended downtime, be vulnerable to outdated calibrations and expired service agreements, be limited in their ability to access free software updates, not experience the benefits of priority technical support and calibration request. This may result in longer repair times and the need for on-site support, resulting in costly delays to your testing. Instron Connect Agreements offer fast, effective, and secure tools, which enable us to provide premium support for your Instron testing system. For more information on Instron Connect and the other services we offer, visit instron.com.